Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about a method called the blackout betting. It's pretty easy, and what it is, the purpose of it is to execute a fast two-hit cash flow across the layout, and then we'll collapse to 6 and 8. So we'll start after a point is set. You don't have to play the pass line. 160 across. Once we hit twice, we'll collapse down to 6 and 8, which are 30 each. We'll rack the rest of that. That should get that paid off. Then we'll move to come bets. And we'll wait until like 6 and 8, or we'll build up those come bet. We won't go max odds right out of the gate. We'll build those over time. Pretty easy, very straightforward. I'm a big fan of come bets. The only downside is when you play a come bet, that means it moves here. You don't win anything until it hits again. That's the one downside. But this kind of makes it a little bit more appetizing. You do have an exposure of 160. But if you're a math person or statistics, you know that you should see a 7, 1 and 6 times. So 2 hits across seems kind of normal. Like you should be able to do that almost every roll. All right, let's see what we got here. And all right. You can play a pass line, but I'm not, because I'm not shooting. Somebody else at the table is shooting. All right, 7. Pay the line. That's where you're missing. I'm gonna come out. All right, 7. Pay the line. 8. 8's the point. On 8. That's our 160. All right, remember 2 hits here, collapse down to 6 and 8. 6. 30 pays 35. That's the first hit. 9. That's the second hit. 25 pays 35. We have here 70. We're going to collapse down to 30 on the 6 and 8. So the dealer will just pick that up. Leave a come bet. Got 145 here. So we are in at $15, and that's what we got out. $9. And we're going to play continuous come bets. We're not going to fund odds until we've hit something. And 8. 8's the point. We travel here. We get paid 35. We'll come down on that place bet. We'll put odds on the 9 of $50. We'll take the 15. Now we're fully paid for. Coming out. 5. Throw our combat down. And 8. Flat bet gets paid 1-1. Let's throw in another 25 to get 50 odds on that. And our combat stays. All right, here we go. And 6. Pays 30. Move the cum. We'll rack 15 and put 50 in the odds. And we will drop 25. Dealer doesn't like all that red sitting out there, so he changes it. All right, let's go. 4. All right. We'll put 1 times odds on that 4. 4. 1-1 on the front, 1-2 on the back. No VIGs paid, and we will just rack that. 9. And 3. So we got 2 chips and odds pays 3, and 1-1 on the flat. So what we can do is we can go up 4 times the odds. We will then take that 50 and rack it. 11 yo. We get paid on the cum. We'll drop that on the 4. 8. We get paid 60 on the odds and 1-1. And we will go up to 125 now, max odds for that 6, and rack that. And 7 out. Unfortunate, but we do get paid here. And we're up just a tad. All right, coming out. 7, pay the line. 9. I'm going to pay a VIG up front. I'm going to buy the 4 and 10. If we come down, we'll get refunded. And 7 out. That is what kills you on this one. There's no protection on that immediate 7. All right, one more roll. Let's go. Let's make it a good one. 4. We'll also buy the 4 and 10 again. $1 each. All right, let's avoid that immediate number. That's 1 hit. 35. 30 pays 35. And 9. 25 pays 35. Dealer, take down everything but the 6 and 8. We get refunded the $2 in VIG. And we pick that up. And once again, $145. So we're down 15 bucks on this one, but hopefully we'll have something happening. Two craps, we lose that come bet. Let's replace it. And 10, the hard way. We don't want to go back to the bankroll yet to build on the odds. 3 craps, I forgot my come bet. We'll drop it now. And 6. All right, so the come bet travels. 35 for the 30 on the 6. We'll take 15, or actually we'll take 50, drop it on odds for the 6. We'll take the 15. Now, everything here on out is casino money. It would be nice to rack up some money. This 25 is, again, our money. Of course, the dealer doesn't like seeing all that red out there, so he exchanges for you. And 12 craps. We lose that come bet. And 8. Travel. 30 pays 35. We'll put odds of 50. And we'll drop 25. And 5. Eight. Come bet stays, does not travel. And the 8, we get paid 70 in odds. 50 odds pays 70. It's 5. It's 7 for every 5 out there. That's your 70, 1-to-1 on the flat. We'll pick that up, rack it. What we could do is we could drop the flat. Let's drop that on the 10. All right, we're good to go. Actually, I picked up the odds. Let's throw odds back down. 9, Nina. All right, nothing yet. And 8. Same payouts. Flat 1-to-1, 70. We're going to take 50, put it on the 9. We're going to pick this up and rack it. 7 out. This right here was ours. I forgot to pick it up. All right, this is all loser. But it was casino money. It's 2,100. Didn't get wrecked so much. Down 237. That could have been beautiful, but could have been is the key. down 237. All right, there we go. Let me just clean up a little bit. So what are the gotchas with this strategy? 0.7 out immediately after you put your 160 across. That's what did us in, really, is when that happened. All right, 2 hits across, then you black out to the 6 and 8. You can then go with continuous come bets, or you can do single or double, whatever you feel comfortable. I might show a strategy, but definitely it's up for you to adopt or adapt it. If you adopt it, that means you're going to play it like the book. And when I started learning to play craps, probably 20 years ago, I didn't have YouTube to help. I had to go on, talk with a dealer. They're not going to tell you. I mean, they're going to help you out. That's really, the dealers helped me drive in bankroll management. If you're playing craps, you have to be aware of your bankroll at all times. As long as you get that thing down, you're in good shape, because you are trying to manage best as possible. And that's where I get the habits of how fast can we get our initial investment out, and then how can we expand from there on casino money. Because I found that will help you live through cold or choppy tables. And the thing on the odds on the come bet, don't pull them out of your rack. Fund them with other hits on the table. Once you're paid off, you're in good shape. All right. If you have any questions, if you've played like this before, go ahead. I want to see a comment down below. If you want more of this, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notifications to get notified when there's new content. And again, this is a community. Your input matters. So let's see it. Thanks for watching Craps University.